Sushant Singh Rajput's ex-manager was pregnant with Suraj Pancholi's baby. As the Mumbai police is investigating into the case of Sushant Singh Rajput, every day new details are coming forward. Recently, a shocking side of this unfortunate case has come forward that is giving a whole new turn to the story. As per the current reports, Sushant Singh Rajput's ex-manager was pregnant with Suraj Pancholi's baby. Let us find out about the shocking news in this video. Was Suraj Pancholi involved in this case? Recently, an Instagram post from the account Justice for Sushant unleashed this shocking news to the world. The account has shown a shocking evidence from the popular Bollywood news portal Pink Villa confirming this news. As per his post, Sushant Singh Rajput's ex-manager Disha Salian had a secret affair with Suraj Pancholi. Sushant Singh Rajput was the only person who knew about this relationship as they wanted to keep it secret. The owner of the account also revealed that Disha Salian was pregnant with Suraj Pancholi's baby the same way Jia Khan was. When Suraj Pancholi got to know about Disha's pregnancy, he was not at all keen on keeping the baby. As per reports, Suraj even threatened Disha to abort the baby and even broke up with Disha Salian. Later, when Sushant got to know about this matter, he confronted with Suraj about this matter and these two stars had a verbal fight. This fight with Suraj Pancholi immediately put Sushant Singh Rajput in the bad books of Salman Khan as he is the mentor of Suraj. This led to a major fight between Salman Khan and Sushant Singh Rajput. As per reports, Salman threatened Sushant to stay away from Suraj. After this huge fight, Salman Khan along with his friends in the industry banned Sushant Singh Rajput from all the production houses. Suraj gave death threats to Disha to abort the child, but Disha was reluctant to do so and talked with Sushant about it. Reports say Sushant was talking with Disha and she disconnected the call when Suraj came in and later got informed by Sandeep Singh that Disha was no more. Sushant's friend Sandeep Singh and Rhea Chakraborty asked Sushant to maintain silence on that matter as it may land him into trouble. But being a good friend, Sushant decided to look into the matter and decided to reveal the truths in front of media. Later, Sushant also accused Rhea Chakraborty for sharing all the details with a ace filmmaker, Mahesh Bhatt. He also accused Sandeep Singh for revealing secrets with Suraj Pancholi and threatened that he would reveal all the crimes of Suraj. The user who revealed all the details got this information from a Mumbai-based prominent stylist who said that Sandeep Singh is related with Sushant's demise. That stylist also revealed that Sandeep Singh got support to execute this from Salman Khan, Mahesh Bhatt, political parties and from the underworld. Well, people are asking for a CBI inquiry on Sushant's demise as well as on Disha Salian's demise too to know the real truth. These new revelations have given this case a totally new angle. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comment section and do not forget to subscribe our channel for more updates from Bollywood.